Starting around 30 September 2023, most certainly spell commonly token basically is exchanging at $0.000455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very huge. Spell in a real sense has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, which generally is very critical. This sort of makes in a real sense spell kind of token, spell, kind of positioning at 370 in the cryptographic money market, or so they really thought. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the spell sort of token cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense, spell most certainly token, essentially be genuinely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is spell kind of token a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they basically thought? Will especially spell cost especially outperform its unequaled high, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? These explicitly are in every practical sense, spell certainly token cost expectations for spell's future in a sort of huge manner. Spell exceptionally token, spell, value expectation 2023 as per the spell commonly token estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the spell cost generally is supposed to for the most part cross an especially normal value level of $0.0005681, the normal especially least value worth of spell fundamentally token, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to really be $0.0005495. Besides spell can generally arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.000598828, which basically is very critical. Spell kind of token, spell, value gauge August 2023. The spell commonly token, spell, cost for August 2023 may arrive at least worth of $0.0004527.4, while the extremely greatest determined cost explicitly is around $0.0005094, or so they especially thought. The in every practical sense, normal cost for by and large spell especially is generally anticipated to essentially reach $0.000495119 in August 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of truly spell most certainly token is estimated to truly be at around in every practical sense, least worth of $0.000491442 in a very large manner. The spell sort of token value worth can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $0.000529114, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely critical. Spell essentially token, spell, value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of sort of spell truly token certainly is truly anticipated to especially arrive at a typical cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.0005497.4 and a genuinely least of $0.0005115.8, which generally is genuinely huge. Spell commonly token, spell, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, explicitly spell fundamentally token cost basically is conjectured to especially arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $0.0005274.9, which sort of is very critical. The spell cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $0.0005709.6, with the sort of typical expected cost around $0.000546636 in an unpretentious manner. Spell pretty token, spell, value estimate December 2023. The spell commonly token, spell, cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at a truly least worth of $0.0005495.35, while the greatest gauge cost basically is around $0.000598828, showing how basically spell value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of generally spell kind of tokens certainly is determined to especially be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.000491442, which in every practical sense is very critical. The especially normal cost for in every practical sense, SPEL generally is truly anticipated to especially reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. SPEL commonly token in every practical sense, past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been fundamentally diminished by 0.84% in its exceptionally current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SPEL with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap generally is likewise down, so this for the most part makes SPEL sort of token, SPEL, truly positioning at 370 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of significant manner. SPEL most certainly token explicitly is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. The SPEL by and large is down to nearly 2.49% in the truly most recent 7 days, exhibiting how the typical cost for really SPEL truly is in every practical sense, anticipated to especially reach $0.0004959 in August 2023 in a fundamentally huge manner. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for essentially past in every practical sense, scarcely any days. The coin could have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in by and large transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of explicitly SPEL essentially diminished by 42.605%, disposing of an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $0.000333803 from its exceptionally current worth, exhibiting how certainly SPEL truly token, SPEL, value gauge December 2023. The SPEL token, SPEL, cost for December 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.000549335, while the extremely greatest estimated cost fundamentally is around $0.000598828, showing how truly SPEL value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of really SPEL especially token by and large is determined to for the most part be at around a truly least worth of $0.000491442, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be in every practical sense great essentially purchase an open door for exceptionally speedy speculation, or so they all things considered, thought. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 38.21%, and the cost explicitly flowed from a truly least genuinely normal cost of $0.0006842 to especially greatest certainly normal cost of $0.000744480 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, exhibiting how essentially SPEL pretty token, SPEL, value gauge December 2023. The SPEL truly token, SPEL, cost for December 2023